What's up, guys? It's Wiqed with American Eagle Harley-Davidson, bringing you the new bike of the week. Today we're going to talk about the 25 Fat Boy in the Whiskey Fire in black. It's powered by the 117 motor. We did do a stage 2 torque cam on this bike. We did a Harley custom breather. We put some black push rod covers in here. Tab Performance exhaust. LEDs that it comes with all across the front, the rear. You're gonna have modes in here, a sport mode, a rain mode, and a road mode. Also, the controls to get to the cruise control a little bit easier. Push it on your left thumb, turn it on, set it, push it down. High beams are gonna be up here in the front on your trigger finger on your left hand. You also have on the right side an adjustable brake lever. It's new for 25, it's pretty cool. So smaller hand, you can dial it back, bigger hand, you can dial it out. If you want to come in and take this bike or any of our bikes out for a test ride, come and see Wiqed at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Boom.